For AI solution, Hanwha provide many intelligent traffic management solution.
Okay.
First of all, we can distinguish between the car. Okay, so the AI it can detect the car. Also, it can know the car type, like a bicycle or truck or normal car.
Okay.
Okay. Also, we can know the color of the car.
Okay.
Okay. Also, in some area, you need to know if there's someone enter, like car enter. So it will give alarm. So it will distinguish between people, normal people, and the car enter this area. And the other thing, okay, we have ANPR solution. Okay, this ANPR solution is not giving only the number plate. It can give also the car type and the brand type, and also the color of the type and which country this license plate. All this can giving by ANPR solution.